Hi readers, happy Monday. I hope y'all are doing well. Depending on what class period I have you for this week, either fourth period, we're going to be live Wednesday and Thursday at 10 a.m. And then fifth period is going to be live at 11 a.m. Wednesday and Thursday. This week it is really important that you come to class. There is not going to be a way for you to make up not coming to class. So just make sure you come. We will love to see you and we can't wait. So today our learning target is to be able to access books through our iPad and my St. Paul Public School library. What the plan is for today is we're actually going to look at some different ways that you guys are going to be able to do this, and it's going to be great. So let's get started. I was thinking I was going to start us on a video from our SPPS St. Paul Virtual Library because it's a great video clip to show y'all. And it does a really good job of explaining all of the stuff we can access.
Using the virtual library. All of the digital learning resources offered by St. Paul Public Schools are posted on the virtual library website. You can access the site easily from your iPad using the virtual library icon or going to the website spps.org/virtual library. Databases in the virtual library come from three main sources: SPPS, St. Paul Public Library, or eLibrary Minnesota. Icons that have a red border are provided by the public library and require a barcode to access. Use your Library Go barcode number to sign in. The barcode number is 2209-1600 plus your student ID number. Tumblebooks, Teen Book Cloud, Pebble Go, and Mac and Via are SPPS resources and may need a password to access. For information on how to log in, tap the Learn More button next to the database. The rest of the databases are provided by eLibrary Minnesota. If you are using one of these resources within the state of Minnesota, there is no password required. Resources are organized by grade level. Tap on the icon for elementary or secondary to.
And because y'all are in middle school, you would be considered secondary, but if you wanted to check out what they have in elementary, or you're not feeling what you're seeing secondary, or you have younger siblings, I would for sure guide them over to the elementary section.
To get started. For elementary students, the resources are listed together on one page. Scroll down to see the sections for reading, research, and other links. For students in grades 6 through 12, your resources are organized by subject area. You may notice that some of the databases are listed in more than one category. Some of the resources can also be accessed using apps or web clips on your iPad. Overdrive has the Libby app, and Cloud Library also has an app. You can download the apps in self-service. For information about using any of these resources, look for the blue Learn More button. This will take you to a page that has tips on using the database. Many of them also have video tutorials. Still have questions about using the virtual library?
And so for you guys, I am gonna have a link so you can access this page directly if you want to look at it some more. But I also just wanted to remind you guys that on our Schoology page, when we're looking at our reading, we do have this a lot of the free reading sources, because last year we weren't as awesome and as fast. So we do have this, and a lot of the login details are there, but all of that is fair game for when you're looking at different reading materials for you to access and to work on. So what I want us to work on, I want to try and see if I can get my lovely, there we are. Let me move some of the chords. I'm never sure about how it's totally gonna look. And hopefully this works. Let's see. Cool. And so like when I'm looking at my library or my iPad right over here, the app that they were referring to was the virtual library. So if you click on this app right here, this is actually the website to where sorry, mine was loading. This is where they were talking in the video about this link. And so when you're looking at this, there's a whole bunch of different things. You can go ahead and click the books and literature. And then you can see right here, middle school. Let's go ahead and click that because we're middle schoolers. And it tells you right over here the awesome barcode and password and lists a whole bunch of different reading options, which is awesome. Ooh, Into the Tall Grass. Ooh, they have so many good books. I love this. And so I want you to play around with it. And for Schoology for today, I actually want you to, we're going to go ahead and exit this out. What you're going to do for today is you're actually going to go ahead and I believe this is the padlock day. So let me just double check before I tell you the wrong instructions. And it's not published right now because it's the weekend. Well, actually, it's still Friday. But you're going to go ahead and click onto this padlock link right over here. And I want you to make a post about what you notice and from the books that you're able to access through your iPad. So what stood out to you? What are you excited about reading? You're going to go ahead and just add right here. And I think you just click the screen. Let's see. Oh, right over here. You're going to click on the little plus sign and you get here we are. So it already has my name here. Awesome. Notice about online reading. And the subject line isn't as important. I think what I'm going to do is I really want to can't wait to read White Bird by R.J. Palicio. It looks so good. And then maybe I'm also gonna talk about like my notice was how easy it was to access middle school books. And I think all you have to do is just drag it away. So there's my posts. I've completed the work for today and I am all done. So once you've added to our lovely Padlet, you are done for today. And if you have any questions or concerns or issues when you're working on Padlet, make sure to come to office hours today from 2:40 to 4 p.m. and I will be sure to help you figure out what issues we're having. Have a great day and I hopefully will see you at office hours. Bye.